Hi guys, today we're learning how to put your name at the end of a TikTok video. First, unlock your phone and open the TikTok app. Once the app loads, you'll be ready to upload the video you want to edit. Make sure the video is already saved on your device. Now tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. This will open the video upload page where you can create a new post. Next, tap the gallery icon at the bottom left. Your phone's gallery will open. Select the video that you want to upload to TikTok. After selecting your video, tap Next to continue. On the following screen, tap Next again, then tap Post to upload your video to TikTok. Wait a few moments until the upload is complete. Once your video has been posted, tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Open the video you just uploaded so you can access its sharing options. Now, tap the three dots on the right side of the video. From the available options, tap Download. The video will be saved to your phone's gallery with TikTok's ending screen that includes your profile name. Open your phone's gallery and play the downloaded video. When the video reaches the end, you'll see your TikTok profile name displayed automatically. That's how you can get your name at the end of a TikTok video. And that's how you can easily put your name at the end of a TikTok video. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.